But let me show you another cool tool here. This is on monster.com. This is a salary tool. So this will tell you an estimated salary that you can use. Let's say that you, and if you want to find this one, you just go to monster.com/salary and you'll find this one. And it's it calculates your salary. So let's say I was in hotel and restaurant management and I wanted to be a hotel desk clerk. See how it comes up with these keywords here? That's cool. Like, it helps you out here, what's in the database. I want to be a hotel desk clerk, and location is a huge indicator of how much money you're going to make. So what if I put, let me see, DC or something. DC. That's not okay. Let me see. How about Sacramento, California. So if I wanted to be a hotel desk clerk in Sacramento, California, it makes $13 an hour. And I don't know if that's the median income. So it goes up to $15 an hour. That's pretty bad because California is pretty expensive. Let's go back to the salary tool. Let me put something that I know about. So I'm going to put cybersecurity analyst. I have some idea how much they make. Let's say Colorado, the state of Colorado. So 88,000 a year. That's about right. It gets up there, but they're telling you on the low end it's 67. That's true. And then the high end 105. So this is a really good tool to figure out if let's say you were going to an interview and you wanted to know, man, how much should I ask for? I'm not sure. Let's say it's a remote job from Oklahoma, and you're trying to figure out how much they normally pay. This is one of the tools that you can use. Another one is payscale.com and salary.com. And you can actually just Google the sites. And another one is actually on the job sites, they'll usually have a breakdown of that business with information that you can use on there. So that's another real good one that you can use.